Hello, today I'm showing you a simple recipe for natural shampoo from soapnut seed and other readily available ingredients. Believe me, once you start using this shampoo, you will definitely see a difference. Let's start with the ingredients first, shall we? The main ingredients is 8 tins deseeded soap nuts here. Soap nuts are berry that is grown on tree native to Himalayas areas of Nepal and other neighboring countries such as India. This plant is rich in saponin, which makes your hair healthy, shiny, and lustrous and clean. As soapnut is antimicrobial in nature, it is good option to cure bacterial and other scalp issues. I'm loving it. Secondly, you need 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel. Aloe vera plant is also easy to grow in a pot without much effort, or you can buy aloe vera gel from the store. Aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, and E. All 3 vitamins contribute to promote healthy cell growth and shiny hair. Vitamin B12 and folic acid are also found in aloe vera gel. These components can keep your hair from falling out. Next one is fenugreek seeds. Take 1 tablespoon. You can prepare it in many ways. First of all, rinse the seeds a couple of times and soak in 1 tablespoon of water and leave it for a few hours or until it softens. Fenugreek seeds have so many minerals and vitamins and also have high protein and nicotinic acid content, which are known to be beneficial against the hair fall and dandruff. It also helps in treating variety of scalp issues like dryness of hair, baldness, and hair thinning. Lecithin is found in the seeds, which hydrates the hair and strengthens the roots of hair follicles. The seeds also have help in moisturizing the hair and bringing back the luster. Lastly, peppermint, which is optional here. Take a handful of peppermint leaves or use one peppermint oil capsule. It helps soothes the scalp and promotes the hair growth. Steps of preparation: add 3 cups of water to the pot. Place the soap nuts in a pot, bring to a boil. Add the soaked fenugreek seeds with the remaining water into pot. Simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Add the peppermint leaves to the pot 10 minutes before turning off the heat. However, if it is capsule, add this at the cooling stage. Let it cool down at least for 30 minutes. Strain the liquid out into jar using a muslin cloth or strainer. Now add 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel to the liquid and mix it properly. You can also blend it to turn the liquid into foam. That is totally optional. This shampoo may last for a month or more without a preservative if it is kept in an airtight container in a fridge. Apply 2 to 3 tablespoons directly onto your hair and massage well. Leave it 5-10 minutes. Rinse hair under the running water afterwards. If you liked this video and found it helpful, don't forget to thumb up and subscribe for more videos. Goodbye for now.